presenter Alex Phillips has taken to Twitter to respond after her co-star Simon McCoy compared her to Sesame Street character, Big Bird, after she presented her segment in a bright yellow dress. The newsreader posted a pretty picture of herself wearing a bold look with huge sleeves, which caused one social media user to impose her head on an image of the canary, which she soon spotted. In view of her 42,600 followers, the star posted a GIF from Sesame Street of Big Bird, Elmo and Mr. Snuffle chatting away manically. The star captioned the clip saying, "Today is a bit like this." Her co-star Simon McCoy replied, "Only for one of us." #BigBird. Not long after her tweet, the star sported the same yellow dress with huge, ruffled sleeves for her segment, The Alex Agenda. Fans of the TV personality also weighed in on Alex's decision to don such a standout dress. One wrote, "I thought you might be auditioning for a role in Strictly." Another added, "Alex, it really is a lovely dress. Did you grow it from seed?" They joked. A third revealed their confusion over her decision to wear such a garment. "But why?" they commented. On the SOW, Simon asked Alex, "If there was a machine that would take you back in time, you would you?" "The 90s were the one," Alex enthusiastically replied. "Well, you might have got away with that outfit," he quipped. "Sesame Street was huge," he added, nodding at his co-star's yellow dress while she burst into laughter. Later, Alex's colleague Michelle Dewberry posted to the social media platform after some Twitter users had left less than kind comments about her attire. She wrote, "Lots of people commenting on my dress tonight. God knows why, because I don't recall asking for fashion advice, but anyway. Alas, no. My bra wasn't showing. Lace is part of my dress. One side was though perhaps indented by the mic. I love the dress and will wear it again." She ended the post. Trending after spotting the tweet, Alex rushed to reassure her co-star that she too had received comments about her wardrobe choices. Replying to her colleague, she wrote, "Don't worry babe. I was Big Bird today. And will be returning to my perch again in the future." She ended, "You do you, honey bunch. I'm always well gel of your drobe, sick."